Quick question. Is your bathroom stuck in the past? Old tiles, worn-out vanity, and a vibe that screams 1990s? You want a dreamy spa-like makeover, but your wallet says nope. Good news. You don't need five figures or a sledgehammer to transform your bathroom. Let's talk genius, budget-friendly upgrades that make a massive difference. First up, paint. It's the cheapest, highest impact change you can make. Light colors like white, gray, or soft pastels bounce light around and make your bathroom feel huge. Even better, paint that outdated vanity a bold color like navy, charcoal, or sage. Instant modern vibes for under $100. Next, flooring. Tired of cracked tiles or grandma's floral linoleum? Skip demolition, try peel and stick vinyl tiles. They're water resistant, easy to install, and come in stunning patterns like wood planks or geometric designs. One afternoon of DIY and bam, your floor looks custom and expensive. Now let's talk hardware. Old faucets, brassy light fixtures, and dated cabinet knobs age your bathroom fast. Swap them for modern finishes like matte black or brushed gold for instant glam. On a super tight budget, spray paint your existing hardware for a fresh, modern look. Walls feeling flat? Add beadboard, wainscoting, or bold wallpaper for texture and personality. A single accent wall behind your vanity can turn your bathroom into a designer jewel box. Finally, styling. Open shelves keep things tidy and stylish. A cool mirror, chic shower curtain, and a touch of greenery pull it all together. Bottom line, you don't need to gut your bathroom to make it amazing. Small, smart changes equals big transformation. Which of these upgrades are you dying to try? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more DIY hacks that save you cash and give your home serious wow factor. Thanks for watching.